everyone and welcome back to Easy English with Titu. Today we are going to discuss about funny idioms. Funny idiom. So today's class topic is funny idioms. So let's get started without any further delay. Number 1. Hold your horses. Hold your horses means wait a moment. Wait a moment. Second number, kick the bucket. Kick the bucket means to die. To die. Third number, head in the clouds. Head in the clouds means living in a fantasy. Living in a fantasy. Fourth number, chew the fat. Chew the fat. This is so funny. Means to chat or gossip. To chat or gossip. Fifth number, for donkey's ears. For donkey's ears means very long time. Very long time. Sixth number, a piece of cake means something very easy to do. Something very easy to do. Seventh number, use your love. Use your love means use your head or think smart. Use your head or think smart. Eighth number, heart in your mouth. Heart in your mouth means extremely frightened. Extremely frightened. War anxious. Ninth number, all talk or no trousers means all talk about no action. All talk about no action. 10th number, cool as a cucumber means to be very calm under stress. Means to be very calm under stress. Friends, that's it for today. See you tomorrow for another topic. Till then, stay tuned on our channel. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.